Hi, my name's Tim Gifford. We're at CS308 class. I'm here with my partner. Go ahead and introduce
Hi,
yourself.
my name is Michael Rowe.
Hi, Mike. I'm going to go ahead and ask you an interview question here real quick, and I'd like to see how you'd respond. I'll pull it up here for you. Okay. Explain one's complement and two's complement. Which is preferred and why?
Well, one's complement, it is used as a way to, for counting binary numbers, where the very first number, if it is a 0, it is a positive number, and if it's a 1, it's a negative number. And then the rest, so if you have 8 bits, the most significant bit, the 8th bit, is the determiner of positive or negative, and the other 7 bits hold the number. Two's complement, though, doesn't have that limitation. The whole number, all 8 bits, are used for the number and everything. So that is the reason why two's complement is better, because you can use all 8 bits instead of. So if you have an 8-bit number, you can go up to 256. Whereas in one's complement, the same 8-bit number can only go up to 128, and only 128 different numbers. Also, two's complement can reach to 0 and can effectively be 0 and everything. One's complement has that problem.
Excellent. Thank you, Mike, for your answer there. We'll go ahead and record that one for you, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn the time over to you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Tim. My question for you is, what is the difference between pass by reference and pass by value in computer science?
Pass by reference and pass by value are both methods in which you can pass information into a variable. Pass by value came first. That's where you pass a value into a function, and then inside of that function, it's going to chew up that variable, kind of do stuff with it. But the funny thing is it's going to make a copy of that variable inside of that function, and that copy isn't going to exist outside that function. It's like this. You've got your function here, and I'm going to have this variable. I'm going to call it x, right? But when you put it inside the function, it changes to copy of x. And unfortunately, when that function is done with that back out, it's going to give you the copy of x, but the value of x is still unchanged. When you do pass by reference, instead of passing in just the value of that variable, what you're going to do is pass that variable itself in. It's going to look more like this. You're going to take your variable, it's going to go inside your function and come out the variable. So anything that happens inside that function is going to stick with it, and it's going to exist outside of the function. Pass by reference is actually really kind of a slick thing that they did in C++ in order to get around passing pointers by value. The only other way to get variables out of scope before was to pass the memory reference of that variable, and then dereference that memory variable inside of the function, and then pass the reference to that area in memory back out, and then you can dereferences again outside the function, and you get a changed value. But the syntax for that was just such a mess that as kind of a shortcut and something to save people some time and headache, they created this new format, the pass by reference.
Thank you very much, Tim, for your answer.
Excellent. So we appreciate the time that you've given us to consider our answers and our questions here in this interview period, and we'll hope to see you later. Thank you very much.